Did he listen?
No.
What's he doing?
Trying not to glitch.
Help him.
Oh, I did.
You're not helping him. You're just sitting on there, just trying to help the other people.
Huh?
No, I'm talking to Jordan. This will be my part 49 video. And Nico's only got one storm video. Put Shadow outside.
Well, we're recording.
Produce. I can post it on YouTube. Never you always do that last time. Damn, look at that. Look at the other side. Okay. I wish I can go stand outside, but there's too much mosquitoes flying around. Ooh, I got it. Oops. No sounds yet. It's just a flash. Level 3 already? Jordan, pay attention what he's saying to you.
What the hell is this place here?
He's not paying attention to you, Nico. He has his ears shut off. Has anybody who gets scared of thunderstorms when they're little? I got scared of lightning when I was a little boy. I'm not scared of thunder no more, because I'm a teenager now. Awesome, got it. We got pink lightning on our way. We're gonna have a pitch black outside. Excuse me.
Oh, baby.
You hear it? You didn't hear it, Nico? I heard a little bit. Wait. That's not thunder. I think that's a vehicle driving by. Listen carefully if we hear any boom noises. Just listen carefully and quiet. Alright? Jordan, look at this.
Oh my god.
You see that?
Yeah.
And you ever seen anything like this before?
No.
Looks so darker on my camera.
Alright.
Look at that.
Yeah, the lightning's too scared. Look, watch. It's not even gonna strike.
No, I hope
3, 2, 1.
Hope it doesn't strike those trees.
See, it's a scaredy cat. Yeah, scared. Yeah, boy. Be scared. Be scared, lightning. Be scared. Be
Well, break that phone.
scared.
Huh? Okay, we're gonna put that shower. Do I do it for me, Donovan? Put that shower head down.
Ooh,
Lightning, huh?
pink lightning. I wish I can go stand outside, but it's
Go check it out.
like not in the front step, in the back step. Cause I always go in the backyard.
I want to go in the front and you go to watch.
We can only go in the back. Auntie,
Yeah.
just tell Dad I'm gonna watch the storm for the backyard step. Put a sweater on, Nico, so you don't get bit by mosquitoes. I'm gonna put on the pants. What the? Oh, that's just garbage. I'm gonna wear my purple sweater. But Mr. Nine, how'd you get? How much percent your battery, Nico? Oh shoot, I forgot to turn off my light. Now, where are my shoes? Here they are. Yeah, close your eyes. Chico, go lay down. Go sit down. You leave the tablet inside, Jordan. If it starts raining, we gotta go back inside. See much better than through the window. This is a good spot. Okay, it's black, pitch black. Ooh. Got that on camera. Whoa. I might just stand back a little bit. Whoa, did you see that? I got it. That was awesome. It's not raining yet.